I'll share my journey. I started my meditation in 2002, and into first 2 years I was doing 30 minutes meditation only. First 2 years every day. Then one day I asked my master, senior masters, that hey, I wanted to do meditation more time, half an hour. How do I do? And I got some tips to that. And after that, I eventually got one of the amazing experience in meditation. I felt like I wanted to do more meditation. So how many of you also wanted to do more meditation time? You wanted to increase the time for meditation, right? And quality of meditation. I was searching for that actually. Quality improvement. You can type more meditation time. Okay. Quality and quantity of meditation matters, right? So that's what I asked my teachers that I wanted to do more meditation. First, quantity I wanted to improve. Okay, then I improved it, and the next thing is I wanted to improve the quality also. It took me 8 years time to master my own mind, friends. So it's like initially I was sometimes only good meditation used to happen to me, like once in a month or twice in a month. Very good meditation. So every day, a little bit regular practice. Regular practice is important, and with the regular practice, some quality is improving. And I observe Sadhana Sangacha, book reading. If I do any good thing, the quality is improving. Any heartful purity of heart, if I start living, any positive thing in the world is also connected to our meditation quality. That's what I observe, because we are in the positive path. Learning to improve my quality quality of my meditation every day. And after 8 years, I got it there. And then after I learned how to improve my quality of meditation, I started teaching this train your mind session. Then people also getting to meditate without any thoughts. Then again, this Gudakesha, I was practicing all night. I converted all sleep time to all meditation time in the night time. It took me 10 years for that. So I started teaching, and with that, I got this with this practice and meditation, I mastered my anger and emotions, frustration, irritation, all the Arishad Varga, Kamakrodha, Lobo, Mohammed, Matsatya, the internal enemies. Okay, the anger, very important, sadness, and then I started. I got these many benefits. Astral travel. Those are all things I never wanted. Astral travel, but it all happened to me as a side effect of meditation. Part of the meditation, I was, of course, it was giving a lot of fulfillment and enjoyment, and it helped me to master my emotions also. So there is 3 things in our life. We need to master words. We talk positively, and then master our own thoughts. That's the next level. We cannot tell this to advance for the newcomers. Oh, hey, master your thoughts and master your emotions. That's not for the newcomers. Okay, but the target of our meditation journey is to master the emotions, to be always blissful, to stay in bliss always. That's called Atma Gnana, Atma Sakshatkar, self-realization, is to realize, to have the wisdom that, okay, I am the blissful being, and live with that wisdom. So Brahma Gnana, God realization, to stay with the wisdom that I am the God and everyone is also God. I am talking to gods and everything is God. Here everything is God, and here, there, wherever you are, there everything is God only. Everyone. So living with that realization is Brahma Gnana. These are the ultimate goals of the meditation. So in between, anyone says many things, many distractions might be there. Everyone is coming with lots of creative ideas, many other, this one introduction, that one, everything. But remember, friends, goal is that one. You keep it in your mind, fix it. Self-realization is one step. Next step is God realization. These 2 things are the goals of meditation. That self-realization is, self is Sachidananda Swarupa. You will be living embodiment of bliss. You will be realizing that, and you see that God is everywhere, blissful being. Okay, Chidananda Rupam Shivoham. That's a Nirvana Shataka summary. Okay, na Sharira na Manas na Buddhi. Only the Chidananda Rupam Shivoham. Everything is God only. Everything is blissful being. We are all. So realizing that and living with that wisdom is the goal of the meditation. So it took me many years to keep myself happy. In this journey, it happened. The meditation helped me, and I started teaching this Gudakesha. and it helped many people.